vertical videos for your Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, or any other platform that supports vertical mode. Roll intro. Yo, I love the original flavor of Arizona. Anyways, vertical mode. So time and time again, people have been asking me, yo, how you do your TikTok? How come your TikTok so clean and refined and the background is blurred out and stuff and blah blah blah, right? Okay, very simple. All of my TikTok videos are shot with this camera, the Sony A7 Mark III. Cool, but this is not the lens I use with it. I use a Sigma Art 35 1.4 and I shoot all of my TikTok videos at 1.4. But currently I'm using the Zeiss Batis 85 1.8 because the 35 is mounted on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K, which I'm currently shooting with on right now. How simple it is to shoot in vertical mode. Well, for me, I have a cage on my Sony and I simply just mount the cage on a tripod like this, right, vertically, obviously. Even on my gimbal Crane 2S, I hate to call the name, I mount it on my gimbal just like this, and it's very easy to shoot in vertical mode. Bear in mind, I have my cell phone, I have my iPhone that I can use, but it's not that refined as when I shoot with my camera. But it takes time and sinking depending on what you're doing. For me, when I shoot in my TikTok videos.
You have one new message.
Hey, so I'm leaving this message. I know we just finished our photo shoot about an hour ago. I've been sitting here waiting for the photos ever since I got home, and I know that your drive was like 20 minutes extra than mine was. But you've had to have gotten home by now and started working on the photos. I've been waiting here for quite some time now. I know when we were at the shoot, you said it could take like maybe a week to get all the photos done, and I'm hoping that they're going to get here soon. I'll make sure about every hour I'll send you a text and I'll ask if they're done yet. I really appreciate your time today, though. I can't wait to see the great work that you come up with, but I think that I really would like them tonight, in all honesty. You know, I don't really know how much work goes into it, but I would expect them at least before 10 o'clock tonight. But I'll be texting you every single hour asking if they're done yet.
For me, when I shoot my TikTok videos, I sync the audio in post. I frame up myself because I don't have a flip out screen like some people. So I have to frame the shot, make sure whatever I'm doing is in the shot. And because Sony has an awesome face autofocus, it works perfectly for me. But I don't shoot in 4K for TikTok. That doesn't make any sense for me because you're not going to really tell the difference. But for like Instagram or any other social media platform, I don't really shoot in 4K. I just shoot in regular 1080. And in order for me to edit these footage, I have to, instead of if you have 1080 by 1920, it's 1920 by 1080 vertically. Yeah, so it is very easy. It's for me, it's very cool to shoot in vertical mode. For me, using the Crane 2S for vertical content, dope. I tell you, it's dope. I love it. Like, I really love it. So if you have the option of shooting vertical mode, trust me, try it. It works. But for me as a Sony shooter, I had to get the cage in order for me to shoot vertical mode. That wasn't the really real idea of getting in the cage, but I have a lot of way to mount the tripod, so why not try it? And I think this is the only way I can mount it vertically on the Crane 2S. I don't know which other gimbal supports the vertical mode option. If you have the option of shooting in vertical mode, do it. Trust me, do it. It makes your footage look unique and defined, right? So I think that's all for today. So I think that's all for now. I'll see you again in the next one. I'm out.